Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chase here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we have the all-new multi-pivot brake and clutch levers from Tusk. These are a long time in the making. I'm very excited about these. If you're shopping for a set of aftermarket breakaway levers, these are one that you should definitely consider. Tusk has now two different options for clutch and brake levers. You have, when it comes to folding that is, you have your standard axis folding lever, which we have a video on that, but you also have the multi-pivot. And what makes this lever unique compared to other breakaway or folding levers, I'll show you right here. Just like you would expect, it's gonna fold forward out of the way, but also folds up 90 degrees. Look, accidents happen. You're gonna have a tip over crash at some point. Having a set of folding levers, I've always said this, I think is one of the better upgrades you could have, just for a little bit of added insurance that you're not going to break your levers if you do go down. And that can be the difference in your race, your day of riding, you name it. So I've always liked having a set of folding levers. And with this multi-pivot, the fact that it does this, again, it's just some added reassurance for you while you're out there riding, having a good time. These are made very well. They're made from a 6061 T6 billet aluminum. The bend is something that we spent a lot of time on, getting the bend just right in the feel, so very happy with that. They're gonna be fully adjustable. You have this adjustment screw here on the inside so you can adjust the reach out or in. And I will point out something on the clutch side. So when you get this, you will see that there is a nut to lock that set screw in place. So once you get the reach where you want it, that nut can go on the inside or the outside of this little block here. So if you want the lever to be a little bit closer to the bar, you can move that nut to the outside. That's just gonna be a rider preference, but that is an option for you to make sure you get that reach exactly where you want it. Cool colorways to choose from with the anodized finish. We have these available for a lot of different bikes. To know if we have one for your bike, it's very simple. On the product page, you just enter the year, make, and model of the bike you have. If it shows up there, these are going to fit it. We ship for free over 75 bucks. Get yours today. Click on the link or head over to Rocky Mountain's website and get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date on cool new products like this. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.